Hello guys, welcome to my lesson today. Word structure. The term word is defined as a dialectic unity of form and content. It is an independent unit of language to form a sentence by itself. It is composed of more basic units called morphemes. So, what is morpheme? Morpheme is the smallest meaningful unit of language. As a morpheme, it has to meet three basic criteria as follows. First, it is part of word that has meaning. Second, it cannot be divided into smaller meaningful segments. And finally, it has relatively stable meaning in different verbal environments. For example, the word unlucky has three morphemes, un, luck, and e. Luck brings the basic meaning of the word. Un expresses negative meaning, and e tells the meaning of having or owning. So, the word unlucky means not having luck. Looking at the example, we can see that among these three morphemes, morpheme luck can stand alone to form the word luck, but un and e cannot. So, luck is called free morpheme. In and e are bound morphemes. Free and bound morphemes are two types of morphemes that are divided structurally. As mentioned above, free morphemes can stand alone and function as a word. For example, run is a free morpheme, functioning as the word run. The compound greenhouse includes two words formed by two free morphemes, green and house. Different from free morpheme, bound morphemes cannot stand alone. They can only be attached to another part of the word. Bound morphemes are classified into inflectional and derivational morphemes. Inflectional morpheme makes a change in quantity, person, gender, tense, or class of the base word. They are also called grammatical morphemes, and they are presented on the screen. Derivational morphemes include prefixes and suffixes. We will return to this method in the next part of the lesson. Now is the time for you to do an exercise in morphemes. Click the key button at the bottom of the slide to check your answer. I have just presented types of morphemes in structure. Now, in semantics, morphemes are also divided into two types, roots and affixes. Roots are primary parts of words. They are mainly free morphemes. Affixes include prefixes and suffixes. This is the structure of a word. You can see that prefix is a bound morpheme that is attached to the front of a root to make a new word. And suffix is attached to the end of the root. Prefixes have three meaning groups: negation, reversals or repetition, and space-time relationship, as presented on the screen. However, this classification is not quite satisfactory because the meanings of the prefixes in English vary greatly. For more information or explanation, please click the word prefixes. About suffixes. Suffixes usually change the meaning of the root. These are types of suffixes. We have nominal suffixes, adjectival suffixes, verbal suffixes, and adverbial suffixes. For more information or explanation about suffixes, click the word suffixes on the screen. And now I have an exercise for you. Click the key button to check your answer. Now we move on to types of words. As mentioned above, words are formed by morphemes. Based on the way of word formation, words can be classified into simple, derived, or compound words. Simple words are those consisting of one root. For example, boy, table, small. A derived word consists of a root and one or more derivational morphemes. For example, teacher, teach is a root and a is a derivational morpheme. Compounds are those formed by at least two roots, with or without derivational morpheme. For example, blackboard includes two roots without any derivational morphemes. Black is a root, board is a root. Or lady killer. The compound includes two roots, lady and kill, and one derivational morpheme, And here is an exercise for you. You can click the button key to check your answer. Now the lesson comes to an end. Thank you for your attention.